Hey, what's going on? It's Jacob. In this video, I want to talk to you about the 3 phases when it comes to installing the lifestyle business operating system. That's what we talk about here on this channel, and it's what I help my clients install inside the Lifestyle Business Academy. The details for that are below. Okay, now we made a pretty big change to the Academy and how we help folks install the operating system as we're heading into the new year. I did another video about this, but fundamentally we changed it from kind of a bigger, more open scope or broad scope coaching program into a hyper focused 90-day installation. And so obviously 90 days, 3 months, there's 3 core phases that we take people through inside this 3-month installation sprint to really bring this to life. Okay, and so that's what I want to talk to you about in this video. All right, so the first thing is the very first month when you start installing this, it's really build mode, all in on building mode. All right, I'm up in Brisbane. I had dinner with a friend last night, so I'm in this apartment here, and there's lots of greenery. It's very nice. The first month is all about building. All right, this is building all of the core infrastructure for the operating system. So what this looks like is, first things first, it's what is the core offering? Okay, the operating system is built around a single core offer, ideally in the 1 to 3K range. Okay, this price range gives you the ability to deliver it at scale, deliver it with leverage, but there's also enough margin that it can provide healthy cash flow for the business. And so that's where we start, is focusing in on what does this 1K to 3K offer look like. For folks who are starting fresh, that'll be a new offer. For folks who are migrating over to this way of doing things, it may be restructuring an existing offer, extracting it from something else that you're already doing. That can come together pretty quickly. Okay, then once you have clarity around what the actual offer is, it's a matter of taking it and deploying it into the templates and structures that we use in order to sell these types of offers without sales calls, without DMs, using a simple invitation document. There's a very specific way that you need to do it if you want to be able to close sales without having to chase people and without having to get on calls in order to convince them. So that's the first thing that we build. From there, we move into setting up the funnels and the email infrastructure that is going to go out, some automated, some using our 5 to 10 minute daily email broadcast strategy. And this is how you'll stay in touch with people every single day. Okay. Then the third big component, once that funnel and email infrastructure is set up, is simple ads. Okay. So these are ads that are going to point to those funnels to bring buyers and leads into your world every single day and ultimately feed that entire flow. All right. So then it goes ad to email infrastructure, or add to funnel, which feeds the email infrastructure. And then those things ultimately all point towards that single core offer document. Okay, so that's the infrastructure in the most basic and simple form. And that's what we really focus on building in the first 30 days, okay? Once that is set up and in place, that's a huge change for a lot of people, right? For a lot of people, that means that they're spending less time in the DMs, they've cleared up their calendar, they've got a high leverage repeatable email system finally in place. And then above all else, they've actually got traffic coming in on an automated basis that isn't requiring them to constantly crank the handle in order to get clicks, leads, and buyers. So that's a big shift within the first 30 days alone. Okay, but here's where the fun starts. In month 2, you focus on running that system. So sending the emails, sending the offer out, looking at the ads, putting more creatives in, actually running it, and you're going to start to get preliminary feedback. Okay, so you're going to start to get data back from the ads. You're going to start to see click-through rates, and you're going to start to see initial conversions and cost per lead and cost per buyer and all that kind of stuff. And then you're also going to start to get interaction with your emails, and so you're going to start to get email open rates, and you're going to start to get click-through rates, and you're going to start to get customers, and ideally you'll start to get clients, and you're going to start to get questions, and you're going to start to get objections. So you're going to start to get all of this feedback from the system itself, okay? And so what we do in month 2 is we start collecting all this data, we start collecting all this feedback, and we start making adjustments and tweaks in order to refine the system based on what is ultimately coming up, okay? And then that carries us into month 3, which is really where we go deep on optimization. By now, we've got a good chunk of data. We can really refine the offer. We can really refine the email messaging. We can refine the automations. We can refine the funnels. We can refine the ads and really move towards validating that core offer, streamlining the ad system, streamlining the email such that at the end of the 3 months, at the end of the 90 days, you've got a really, really robust operating system that's very, very simple, and it's running ads to email to that core offer, and the messaging is tight, the messaging is aligned, it solves a really, really clear problem, achieves a really clear outcome for a specific type of person, and you've got your own methodology that, you know, people are really starting to associate with you through that repetition of those emails every day and the ads going out. All right. And so that's the core infrastructure that we build over the 3 months. You get the core pieces in place, you start to analyze the data that's coming back in, and then you refine based on data. Okay. And so this is a big change for people, because a lot of people in the expert space aren't looking at their business like a machine. They're not looking at it like an operating system. It's them posting, sending DMs, kind of doing everything, or someone doing it on their behalf. And I used to run things that way as well. And it worked well for a period of time, but I ultimately burnt out. I needed a system to be able to sit back and run it more like a true business, where I'm, you know, looking at data for feedback and then putting it back in, running it by numbers, etc. And this is the model that has really allowed me to do that. Okay, once we get past that initial 90-day phase, once we get past that initial 3 months, this is where we can start to expand into all kinds of different things, right? Scaling up the ads, layering on a YouTube channel, other long-form content strategies that you might want to explore, free workshops, paid workshops, live experiences. You might do a podcast. That could be something that you want to ultimately integrate, layering in remarketing ads. I just had a client ping me who just activated their remarketing ads, and it quickly brought in $30,000 for an event that he has got coming up. So these are the things that can add depth to that core infrastructure, right? But if you don't have the main operating system running, which is the ads to the emails to the core offer, all of those other things become a little bit premature, right? So you've got to build the foundation before you can kind of go and build all those other rooms on the house, so to speak. Okay. And so that's really the focus when it comes to installing the operating system. That's what we do over this initial 90 days to get it live, get the data coming in, and start to optimize it. So a lot can change. A lot can change in a quick 3-month hyper-focused implementation period, where you can go from having a business that depends on you posting and doing everything manually and chasing people in the DMs and booking out your calendar with sales calls, to having that very machined straight line flow where you're so clear on, this is who I help, this is the problem I help them solve, this is the outcome that we get, this is the methodology that we use, and you build your whole ecosystem around that. The ads speak to that, the emails speak to that, the funnels speak to that, the offer speaks to that, and it becomes this true straight line. Okay, so if you've been following along for a little while, as we head into the new year, now is an amazing time to dive in and get started. I'm going to be doing more and more videos in the new year on the operating system and all of the different components and what we're seeing with clients in real time. One of the things that I love about this is that there's 2 sides to this business for me. One, I help people install the operating system, but 2, I actually use the operating system myself. I sent out an email about this yesterday, and it was entitled "Why It's Important to Eat Your Own Dog Food," which is an interesting subject line. But what I mean by that is I teach the operating system. I don't really teach it, we help people install it, but I help people use it, and I use it myself. And so what this does is it provides this unique insight where every day, myself and Chris, who's now helping me on this business, we can make changes, we can make adjustments, right? Be that in the marketing, in the sales flow, in the offer, in delivery, in the systems, in the back-end structures. Like I was just putting together an agreement to take an academy member to becoming a revenue share partner. So that's a back-end piece of the operating system that I don't talk about too much on this channel, but is a second, third, fourth order benefit of having something like this set up, right? So for people out there who want to do one-to-one consulting, or you want to do partnerships, or you want to invest, if you set up a structure like this where it's growing your brand, generating customers, generating leads, and ultimately ascending people to become clients, what you're essentially setting up is like a deal flow engine. right? I just sent this draft agreement over to him for advisory on a revenue share basis, and that moves him from the academy into becoming a quasi partner where we can go deeper together. And so you set up something like this, and it feeds you with really, really good people working on really interesting projects that you can then go and turn into, bigger deal opportunities as well, right? So there's so much. I love this whole operating system. I love helping people get it set up, and I'm really excited for the new year because we've got such a streamlined, focused installation container to help people do it within now. Okay, so if you want to jump in, details for the academy are below. There's a new offer document and everything for it, which reflects all of the latest details. Other than that, I hope you had a fantastic holiday period. I'm excited to get into the new year. Going to be dropping some more videos, so stay tuned, and I'll talk to you soon. Cheers.